Okay, this is part 10 that we have modeled in Inventor. So let's place it into a title block. So down at the bottom, you can click your little home button, and then you can open your Layout C title block. And I'm going to click Base, and because I only have part 10 open, it automatically attaches to my cursor. So I'm going to change this to 1:1. And I'm going to use Hidden Line View, move this over to the side, and then I'm going to place the views of the part. Tell that OK. I'm going to double click on my isometric and tell that to be half scale, and I'm going to shade it in because I think it looks cool. Okay, now let's start dimensioning this part. So first I'm going to save. We always want to save first. This is part 10. All right, now we're going to go to annotate, and we're going to start putting some dimensions on our part. So let's put in the height. Whoa, what is that? That's supposed to be 3 inches tall, but I have 2 and 121 1/28. So let's start dimensioning some more things and see what we get. Oh my goodness. So I have drawn this part quite a bit wrong. So I did this on purpose, by the way. Let's see what you can do with this. Okay, so what happens sometimes is you forget to place a dimension, or you forget to check a dimension. So we don't have to do anything in the drawing. All right, what we can do is go back to the actual part. So let's go to the part. Let's go to the original sketch. So remember, over to the side, everything we have done, it saves the steps. So under this extrusion, I want to open up and see sketch 1. So, oh, where's all my dimensions? So let's go to dimension, and let's pick these parts, and let's fix what we did wrong. Okay, that's supposed to be 1.5. All right, this is supposed to be 3 inches tall. Okay, am I left off anything else? Nope, I think that's everything. So I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. Now this piece, I need to double check it. So let's go to the sketch. Now, one of the things that you might need to look at, this looks correct, but if I double click, look at all the numbers. So always check your dimensions. Even if it says it's an inch and you just place it and don't edit it, make sure you look at it, because this should have been 2.5. Now, when you go into it, it's just 2.5. So if you start to dimension things and something's not quite right, that might be the reason. So double check that. So let's hit Finish Sketch, and I'm going to click Save. You have to save it. So when you go back to the drawing, look at that. Everything is fixed. Okay, so if you mess something up, you can go back to the part, edit your sketches. Now, if you extruded it the wrong distance, double click and put in the different distance, fix it, tell it OK, save it. So you can edit and fix your part, and it will automatically update your drawing. So always place some dimensions, double check some things, make sure that you have everything the right way it should be, okay? And do that by checking and make sure everything is coming up the right way. Make sure you hit Escape, open up your field text, and then edit your text. And on these, you really just have to change the part number. Now you have part 10, part 10. Scale's the same. Make sure you save it and upload it to me. Now, if you get this, This is because the part is open, and yes, you did edit the part. So do you want to save everything? Just hit yes to all and tell it okay.